But how does Fundrise work its magic? It's simple. Create an account on the Fundrise website with a few clicks and keystrokes. It's a breeze to get started and requires minimal personal information. Browse through Fundrise's investment plans, each tailored to suit different risk appetites and investment goals. Choose the plan that aligns with your aspirations and preferences. Once you've picked your plan, allocate your funds across the properties in Fundrise's portfolio. Detailed information about each property helps you make informed decisions. Passive income and returns. Sit back and let your money work for you. Fundrise distributes income generated by the properties in your portfolio regularly, with the potential for additional returns through appreciation. Keep tabs on your investments through Fundrise's intuitive dashboard. Track performance, receive updates, and access essential documents and tax information with ease.